with Tesla finally releasing the acceleration boost for the 2024 Model 3 Highland, dropping the quoted 0 to 100 time by 0.6 seconds, bringing it down to just 3.8 seconds. The only question is it worth it? Purchasing is easy. Just go into the Tesla app, find upgrades and click purchase. As long as you can fork out the 3,000 Australian, you're all set. You can verify it's worked by going to Vehicle, Software, and verifying you can see the acceleration boost is showing. Interesting to note, I believe in the performance you do get 3 options. However, for the acceleration boost on top of the LR model, you only get the choice between chill and sport. You also don't get the option for track mode or turning traction control off. Sad face. A few things to note before jumping into the data. Unfortunately, we don't have a V-box or anything precise on the GPS front, so we're relying on video frame analysis for the 0 to 100 times and an accelerometer on the phone. Also, as the phone was lying on an angle in the car, the acceleration units about to be displayed are about half of what you would feel in the car. So without the data validated with something more accurate, take everything with a grain of salt. However, knowing that, we should have enough data to form a comparison and draw the differences between the two. Jumping straight into run 1 with the acceleration boost enabled, we have a slight incline, looking like we have a peak shown on the phone of about 0.44 G, ending up with roughly 4.2 seconds 0 to 100. Run 2 with the acceleration boost enabled, we have a slight decline, looking like we have a peak of about 0.44 G, ending up with exactly 4 seconds. Run 3 is without the acceleration boost enabled. We have a slight incline, the same as run 1, looking like we have a peak of about 0.36 G, ending up with exactly 4.8 seconds 0 to 100. And lastly, run 4 is also without the acceleration boost enabled. We have a slight decline, same as run 2, looking like we have the same peak of about 0.36 G, and ending up with 4.6 seconds 0 to 100. So looking at the acceleration graph, unfortunately I couldn't get it to marry up 1-to-1, but you can clearly see the launch is quite a bit harder with the acceleration boost enabled in white, sustained up until about halfway through when the line gets closer together, indicating most of the extra time is coming from the 0 to 70 km/h range. This backs it up if we have a look at the two side by side, which I'll run and repeat for a little bit. You can really see it holding the G-force up until about 70 to 80 k's an hour on both before it loses its legs, meaning that after 70 to 80 k's, it's effectively the same car. But how does it feel in the car? Honestly, you do feel the 20% increase in acceleration through the seat of your pants. Now, for the $1 million question, is it worth it? I think absolutely. It really pushes it up into a category it shouldn't really be fighting in. I'll drop a few cars that are around about the 3.8 second range. Audi RS3, 3.8 seconds. The 2021 BMW M4 Coupe, 3.9 seconds. BYD Seal Performance, 3.8. A 2012 AMG Black Series, 4.2. You get the point. Now, $3,000 is a lot of money. However, just think, plenty of people would spend money without even thinking about it on a new catback, cold air intake, etc, etc. So, if you've got the money, 100% do it. If you're on the edge, why not just wait? Give it a few years and breathe some new life into the old girl at that point. Thank you for watching.